If you're obsessing over how your manifestation is going to come into your life, this is the tapping for you. It will help you to relax and let go of the how and release any expectations attached to your manifestation. If you cannot do this right now, save this video for later, but if you're ready, let's get tapping. So we'll start on the eyebrow point here. I feel so attached to my manifestation. I cannot let go of the outcome. Side of the eye. I feel like I need it to happen a certain way. I need to control the outcome. Under the eye. I acknowledge all of these feelings. I feel like I'm the only captain in this big ship of life. Collarbone. But I know that's not true. Because even though I'm the creator of my reality, I know that I'm not doing this alone. I have a co-captain, the universe. I recognize all these feelings of control, and I choose to be kind to myself through it all. It might be very difficult for me to let go, but I'm open to releasing just a little bit of this attachment. Letting go of my need to control the outcome. It's completely okay if things don't go exactly as planned. Because I only know what I know. But the universe can see the bigger picture. So I choose to trust in the flow of my manifestation. I release all this control. I trust that the universe has a divine plan for me. Something even better than I have visualized. I know that everything will unfold as it's meant to. I'm always guided and supported. I have faith in the divine plan. So I surrender my need for control now. I'm affirming my trust in the universe. And I'm open and ready to receive what's meant for me now. All right, deep breath in. Hopefully that made you feel less anxious about your manifestation and solidified the trust in you that it will happen. It will come in divine timing. Thank you so much for tapping along with me. Follow for more, and I'll see you next time.